Welcome back. Today I have made this short video. This short video topic is basic definition and important formula for geotechnical engineering. So let's start. First of all, please see this basic abbreviation of formula. You can see W is total weight, WA weight of air, WW weight of water, VW volume of water, VA volume of void, VV volume of void, VA volume of air, V is equal to total volume of soil. There are basically three types of soil structure. Number one, partially saturated soil. It's contain air and water. Complete dry soil, it's only contain air and soil. Fully saturated contain two things, water and soil. These are the soil characteristics which we will calculate with the help of a formula. Water content, it's a moisture content which use to perform weight volume calculation in soil. Also, moisture content is a measure of shrink well and strength characteristics of cohesive soil. Formula of water content is mw over ms multiply 100. Mw is mass of water over mass of soil multiply 100. Void ratio, the void ratio is the ratio of volume of void in a soil to volume of solid. It can be greater than 1. Its formula is E is equal to Vv over Vs. Void ratio is the ratio of void to solid. Porosity is the ratio of void to total volume. So don't confuse void ratio with porosity. Porosity is the ratio of voids to the total volume, whereas void ratio is the ratio between volume of void divided by volume of soil. Degree of saturation, it is a percentage of water that occupies the pores of soil. It can be varies between 0 to 100. Saturation is equal to VW over VV multiply 100. Percentage of air void, the ratio of volume of void filled by air. It can be calculated in percentage VA divided by VV multiply 100. Air content for a soil sample is defined as a volume of air to the volume of void that soil sample contains. AC is equal to VA over V. What is the difference between percentage void and air content? Air content can be understood as the amount of pores present in the soil which are not filled with water. But different soil have different amount of voids. Air content for a soil sample is defined as a volume of air to the volume of void that soil sample contains. Below is the formula. Percentage of air void is denoted by Na and is defined as the ratio of the volume of voids filled by air expressed as a percentage of the total volume of the soil. The formula is given below. Va is the volume of air and divided by volume of void multiply 100. That's all for today. If you like video, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.